Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today, I'm going to discuss the two important provisions under the Negotiable Instruments Law. For our content itinerary, I will start with Section 1 wherein you can find the form of negotiable instruments, and I will end it with Section 52 wherein we can find the requisites of a holder in due course. Are you ready? Let's start. This is an example of a negotiable instrument. Section 1, letter A, it must be in writing and signed by the maker or the drawer. Writing, it must be in a paper or a substitute of a paper as long as it is movable. Signatures such as symbol, thumb mark, initials, etc. as long as there is an intent to attach his or her signature. Section 1B, it must contain an unconditional promise or order to pay some certain in money. An unconditional promise or order meaning to say it is not subject to any condition or contingency. Section 1, letter C, it must be payable on demand at a fixed rate or determinable future time. On demand meaning to say it is overdue. At a fixed rate meaning to say it is expressed. Determinable future time meaning to say there is a fixed period on or before a specified or a specific date. Section 1D must be payable to order or to bearer. Payable to order meaning to say to whom the instrument may be made payable. Citing the case of PNB versus Rodriguez, as a rule, when a payee is not intended to be the true recipient of the proceeds, the check is considered as a bearer instrument. A check is a bill of exchange drawn in the bank, payable on demand. It is either an order or a bearer instrument. This is cited under Section 8 and 9 of the Negotiable Instruments Law. And finally, Section 1, letter E, where the instrument is addressed to a drawee, he must be named or otherwise indicated therein with reasonable certainty. And finally, for our second discussion, we are now going to proceed to Section 52. What constitutes a holder in due course? A holder in due course is a holder who has taken the instrument under the following conditions. Letter A, that the instrument is complete and regular upon its face. It is valid if the alteration is in the face of the instrument. Hence, it is void if it is materially altered without the assent of all the parties. Section 52B, that he became the holder before it was overdue, meaning to say the instrument is still valid, and without notice that it was previously dishonored if such was the fact. It is not yet overdue, and without notice that it has been previously dishonored, render the instrument valid. Section 52C, that he took it in good faith and forby. There are compliance with the two requisites, such as the absence of the knowledge of its infirmity and the lack of bad faith. And finally, Section 52D, that at the time it was negotiated to him, he had no knowledge of any infirmity in the instrument or defect in the title of the person negotiating it. Take note that when we say notice of infirmity, it is equivalent to an actual or chargeable knowledge of a defect in the instrument. Thank you everyone for finishing this video. I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye!